It all starts with a spark, a glimmer of an idea. And for the millions that fade away, the few that shine the brightest become something bigger. A story, a script, a production, and finally, a movie that takes its place in cinema history. A film that unites us all and brings us here to experience it on a huge screen. Welcome to AMC Theaters. We make movies better. So please report suspicious or disruptive behavior and keep track of your valuables. Find the exit closest to you, and in case of emergency, watch your step as you walk out of the auditorium. After the movie, we thank you for throwing away your trash and helping keep our theaters clean. We'd like to take a moment to recognize our investors and to thank our millions of AMC Stubs members. Whether you're a film fanatic or an occasional visitor, movies are better with rewards from AMC Stubs. Not a member? Join Insider for free to earn points toward rewards and get 50% off tickets on member-exclusive discount days. Then earn your way into Premier Go. Visit us 8 times or earn 5,000 points this year to unlock even more free perks, including points earned twice as fast. Or upgrade your membership instantly with Premier. Earn points 5 times faster than insiders and avoid online fees for a year. And now, our A-listers get even more than ever before. Join and see up to 4 movies every week in any format. And make free reservations for movies like these. Coming soon.
Every time I touch a plant, it's like I can feel what they're feeling.
She's entering the pumpkin contest.
This is all-out vegetable warfare.
You want to steal our secrets?
Release the hounds!
Ooh, that's unexpected. It's huge. You gotta grow hard or go home.
And now we must show our commitment to the new life that we are creating by having a wheel.
Oh, that is enough crazy.
That would be cute, huh?
I would like to see that. I would like to see that movie.
Too.
Come on. Hey, Will, would you happen to have that wrench?
I just need a little more time.
I got mouths to feed. I don't need one more.
Hey, Will.
Oh, hey guys. That's a lot of kids.
Indeed, it is.
I'm Will Harris.
Hey, I'm Ryan here.
All my life, I've always wanted to play professional warball. Like my hero, Jet Fillmore.
I'm the best in the game.
Oh, you must have lost your mind.
Where the fiercest animals compete in the most dangerous stadium.
Hey, game, please. Oh, no.
Come on, Olivia.
I'm good here. I live here now.
But there's only one problem. I'm a small in a world big. So I got next.
A goat.
A go?
What are the rules, y'all? Small can't fall.
Wanna bet? All I need is one shot to show the world this kid got game.
I need to hear it.
Bye.
With feeling.
Bye.
You goats are real. I like it.
Boom! Fillmore Ford in the flesh. Normally, these sell for around 6, but I'll give it to a 5.
Pristine upper mesh, top laces. Nutty.
Nasty.
I want to see this movie too.
We're gonna need a membership to the theater.
This Christmas, something big is coming to theaters.
I'm ready!
Let's go! And they're about to go. Watch where you're going!
Sorry.
Wait up! Where they've never gone before.
The Underworld! It's not for the faint of heart! Oh, my lucky brick.
Dutchman's taking SpongeBob to the deepest, most dangerous part of the sea, the underworld.
Underwear? Underwear. The SpongeBob movie, Search for SquarePants.
Destiny is squeezing my buns. Do you feel it?
Nothing. But don't let me slow you down.
I want to see this movie too.
Of course.
At the CPD, partnership is the cornerstone of success.
Beautiful!
You want to put bad guys away?
Ow! Stop pulling my ears, stop pulling my ears. Never pull up on his ears.
Be on the same page every day.
Jiggle it, let's go. I got this.
Here's the fuzz!
Toot toot.
Everybody run!
Well, can't win them all.
Come on, get on up.
Let me ask you something. Do you think we're a good team?
Of course. Into a zoo. I just wish I knew what we had to do to prove it to everyone else. We check the perimeter, snoop a little, we find nothing, we bail.
No snake has set foot in Zootopia in forever.
There's a snake!
Stop at the name of the law!
Snakes aren't the bad guys. I have to set things right. And when I do, my family will finally be able to come home.
Pops and Wild. Dream team.
Oh, no, get on!
Help me save him!
I would like to call a partner meeting.
I want the fox and the rabbit. Do you know how many mayors they've already destroyed?
1, 2.
I got up to 2.
All right, Carrots, any idea where you want to start?
If you want to find you a reptile, I am your gal. Breathe it in. Woo! Zootopia has a secret reptile population. Just let me handle the locals. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub. Hey, bub, bub.
Hey, bub. Bubby, bub.
Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey,
Hey,
ho.
bub, bub. Seen a snake?
Nope.
I got eyes on them in pursuit.
We have to solve the case.
It's not worth dying for. Judy!
Nick!
Good luck! I love you!
When you two save the city, maybe everyone will see reptiles ain't that different.
I want to see this movie, but I haven't finished watching the first
Yes,
Zootopia.
We do.
On remarque tout
Because it's great.
et on ne comprend rien. Ouvre-toi. Dieu avait enfin un regard. Et un corps aussi. Que pouvait-il faire de ça? Ce corps était sa prison. Mais... Et le miracle eut lieu.
Je vous présente Nishio-san. Elle va venir nous donner un petit coup de main.
T'étais la seule à me voir vraiment
It's his
telle que j'étais.
nanny.
N'oublie pas qu'un jour elle grandira et elle t'oubliera, comme tu as toi-même tout oublié.
Est-ce que c'était ça la vie? Une grande bouche vorace qui ne retenait rien? À 3 ans, je revenais au commencement.
Les souvenirs restent.
It's more important than ever that you lift everyone's spirits, as only you can.
No. No way! I'm obsessulated.
Glinda, the good! It's the Wicked Witch! You can wave that wand all you want, but you have no real power.
I'm a public figure now. People expect me to lie, be encouraging.
You can't resist this.
Who could?
You know who could. Bring me the broom of the Wicked Witch of the West, so I have proof that she's dead.
Stop this. It's gone too far. Just look at me.
Not with your eyes, with theirs.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason. Here's the plan. I have no plan.
Well, I do.
Oh, thank God.
Haven't you heard? I'm the Wicked Witch of the West. This is the work of the Wicked Witch!
What have you done to me?
Think of what we could do together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Castle Grotesque. They say there's monsters in there.
You shall be my greatest creation ever!
It's not ready. We did it!
I did it! Welcome to Almost Life. Registered trademark, patents pending.
I'm Stitchhead.
Whoa! Is this a castle?
This is where you sleep. Everyone, stay calm! Creature, these are the monsters.
Oi!
Bedtime, everyone.
Story!
The Mad Professor made you and all the other monsters here. The monsters were safe and never left the castle. And that's how they live happily ever after.
Is life boring? I'll make you famous like you never believe. And the most blame-blowing show on earth! Take my hand. Up, up, no. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be terrified.
Don't be scared.
Aren't you scared?
Of course not.
No piggy without pig.
Keep the change.
I have a plan. I must go down to the town and rescue Stitchhead.
So brave.
Very brave.
It's toast.
Yeah, it doesn't stand a chance.
The castle is full of monsters, and monsters mean money.
They all live peacefully, and there's nothing you can do about it!
We are monsters. This is time to let out your monstrousness. Just be whoever you'd be if you weren't afraid. It's monster time.
However good the trailer is, it's never enough.
I want to see this movie.
Me too.
Racing is my dream.
I could race in the Grand Prix and I could win!
You'll get your chance to race someday. He is the 4-time Grand Prix champion. It's Ed's car! This is unbelievable!
Get out of my car!
Okay. Your arm's like a noodle.
I'm over here.
There's your arm. It's not broken, but no driving for a few weeks.
Weeks?
I have an idea.
We look alike. I could take your place.
Also, you give me half your prize money or there's no deal.
All right, deal.
I can't believe I'm going to drive in the Grand Prix!
Neither can I. Welcome to the Grand Prix.
I must be dreaming!
Nice driving. Be careful. One mistake can cost you.
That was totally a threat. I still really want his autograph though.
He's completely lost control.
Maybe my dream should have stayed a dream.
I believe in you, Eda. You've got this.
Watch this.
This is unbelievable.
Disney welcomes you to the movies. Here at AMC Theaters, silence is golden for everyone. Which means no neighing, no oinking, no shaving or shearing, no shrewying. No growling, no howling, no fighting, no roaring. And no, that's disgusting. No talking, no texting. Silence and put away your devices. Thank you. Catch Disney's Zootopia 2 only in theaters November 26th.
When I was a little girl, movies were where I went to dream. That beautiful silver screen took me places. It still does. AMC Theaters. We make movies better.